Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this unboxing from KMM. This is the second tote I bought from them. The previous one, in case you haven't seen that one, it was from the scratch and dent in blood moon color. This one, because it was scratch and dent, the leather was somewhat thin and has some dent on it. So I was really nervous with my second purchase. So this second one, I purchased it from their premium listing. So hopefully it will look more perfect and less flaws on the leather or the bag itself. I really have high hope for this one, so let's see what I'm getting. That's the packing. Same as previous purchase, the bag came with a tag. This one does look thicker leather. The last one was really thin. I asked to add a crossbody strap, so I bet this is the strap. We'll look at it later. Whew. Let me reshape it a little bit. Yeah, they didn't stuff the bag when they ship it, so I have to reshape it. And let's put the box away. So this is their vegetable tan leather, and it's an undyed leather. So it doesn't really have color on it. The reason of it is, for this kind of leather bag, you want to use it and then let it slowly develop patinas. Depending on how much you use it, the sunlight that it exposed to, or the oil from your hand that absorbed to it. So for several reasons that it would develop patinas through time. So I'm really excited to use it and see how it aged and how the color changed on this bag. I probably will condition this bag right away, because based on my other vegetable tan natural leathers experience, it would get stained really easily, especially if you accidentally lay on top of other leather tote that may have color transferred. Then it could be scary. So I would definitely condition this bag right away, and just in case, you never know. So this one, I did ask to add the 10-inch drop shoulder strap and also the button snap closure. Yep, it works well. Same as previous KMM tote I show you. Inside of the bag you would find this bar. Not sure what it is, but you can use it to hook on your keys and stuff. Some people use it for their sunglasses. And then on the other side you have a slip pocket. Because I asked to add the crossbody strap, they added rivets here, one this side and then one on this side as well. So while checking this leather, it definitely looks much better than the scratch and dent tote I got. I did see a little scar from the cowhide over here. Not sure you can see. It's not very obvious. but so far so good. And the leather is definitely more structured and thicker compared to the previous one. Let's look at the strap that came with it. The leather on the strap seems to be thicker. And it's an adjustable strap. Let's try it on and see how that works. A different kind of it's interesting. I rarely see this kind of clubs. It's easier to use though. So let's button it up. The length of the strap is pretty good. I may have it slightly higher. Personal preference, I like my bag a little bit higher, but so far so good. This is my second vegetable tan leather bag. The first one was from winter section. That one, the leather was extremely thin. So I'm glad that I'm able to get one from KMM because this one definitely looked like much thicker leather compared to the one from winter section. So yeah, I would say this one is definitely a success for me. So if you haven't bought from KMM before, maybe you want to buy from their premium listing. They do sales, they do have like scratch and dent sales, but then sometimes the risk is not worth it to me personally. I would say pay a little bit more because it's not a lot more. Pay a little bit more and get a perfect bag, at least near perfect bag that you can get to start with. That would create a better experience in my opinion. So yeah, if you haven't tried bags from KM, I would recommend it. Just make sure you know that if you prefer a thicker leather or thinner leather. I heard that their smooth leather tend to be on the thinner side, and then the Kodiak leather, the bison leather, some of them are thicker. So you may want to do your research if you plan to buy one from KMM so that you would end up with a bag that you love. So I will continue to update you once I condition it, I start to use it and see how it developed, the patinas and how the color change. So I'm excited to put this to good use. I hope you liked today's unboxing and we'll talk again soon. Bye!